crackers.
Anything
else? Okay. I don't mean to take the food. I'll leave it here.
No, I just want some.
Okay.
I'll take my phone.
Where did he go? He'll be back. He'll come back.
Davis.
I'm certain that Carrie went out the door.
Yeah, anytime anyone leaves.
He'll be back. Big boy. I think he's getting tired though. He's wobbling. Big boy.
Come here, honey. Come see Mama. David.
Mama.
Come here. Oh, now he's watching you.
Oh,
Come here. Come see Mommy.
oh, drop. There you go.
Good job, baby. Yay. Nice walking. You gonna walk to Dada? Go off to Daddy. Go off to Daddy. Where's Dada? Where's Dada?
Oh, nice save.
This is gonna have to go on YouTube tonight for Aunt Patty.